don't you take care of Grandpa?
Okay.
Grandpa needs a lot of caretaking.
I don't want, hey, if Grandpa has any girlfriends come over, you need to tell me.
Okay.
Is any dancing girls or any hoochie mamas? You let me know.
Okay. Dad? Can Grandpa play Mario first?
Not right now.
No, y'all are going to take a
We can do that next time.
What does a cow do?
Okay, let's do.
Owen, can you tell me what a cow does?
Oh.
Can you tell me what a cow does?
How does a cow go?
What does the dog say?
No, it's one.
Yeah. What does a monkey do? What does a monkey do? Yeah. What does an elephant do? Yeah. What does a cow do? Preston. Owen. What does a cow do? Oh, do you want to see the cow? So you remember what a cow does? Hey, what does that do? What does the duck say? Quack, quack. What does a gorilla do? What does an elephant say? Yeah. What does a puppy do? What does a puppy do? I want you to read the book.
Let me read the book to you? Well.
No.
What does the owl say? You know owl?
He wonders why his child doesn't.
How does a puppy go?
Oh.
What does a kitten do? Meow. What about the elephant? What does the elephant do?
Is that what an elephant does?
That's a pretty good elephant.
I know. Not everybody can do that.
Book.
Book, book.
Book, book.
I already have somebody.
Her lap's full. This is what I get.
Yeah.
Hold your attention, baby.
Hang on.
That's what my afternoons look like.
Yeah.
Doing my lap.
That's what Owen likes to.
That's a monkey. Good, Preston.
That's a good
How's
one.
the kitty go? Where's the kitty? There he is. How's the kitty go?
Yeah, puppy.
Puppy.
What was that face for?
Yeah. Yeah, it's a monkey. Gorilla.
How does the kitty cat go?
Meow. 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 Meow.
Oh, no more? You done?
Where's your bag? Let's find your bag.
We've got to bang some rocks together.
And you say, pick up those pinche tierras. Huh?
What?
Or scatter them.
Pinche tierras everywhere. No! No! No!
That all for you?
Bubble.
That's easy on level 1, right?
Can you say bubble?
Bubble? I haven't held Preston in my lap for
Give
a
that to
long
me.
time.
Hand that to me now.
He's
Now.
usually...
Give it to me.
Thank you.
I think crayons are for eating.
We were watching very closely.
He was drawing with him a little bit.
Oh, he did? Well, it's time to go on my mouth.
Show your picture.
Can I see?
Show Mama your picture.
Can I see?
Did you color?
Oh, the back
So
side.
pretty.
The artists.
Good job.
Mr. Preston looks like he's ready for it.